Hello and welcome to the channel. If this is your first visit, consider subscribing and like the video. On this episode, I will unbox a Mato radio-controlled 1/16 scale all-metal German Tiger I tank and show you what comes in the box. The Tiger I was the most elite tank of World War II. They were powered by a HL 230 V12 Maybach engine. I will start by opening this little black box. We have a battery charger, a binding cable, the main gun brake, a unique tank ID card, and a bubble wrap of tank parts. Let's see what's inside. Metal mud flaps, extra track parts, sprocket hub covers, and the metal commander's cupola. This is the radio. It's a 4-channel transmitter, nothing fancy. It takes 4 AA batteries. Now we have the main battle tank. This thing has some weight to it. This envelope also came in a box. It would be nice if there was a discount card towards your next tank purchase inside. Okay, we have the quick start instructional manual. The main gun is all metal. The body is metal. The turret is metal. Everything is metal. This thing weighs 19 pounds. The road wheels are metal as well. The driver's hatch opens. Let's see if I can open it. This appears to be a spring-loaded release mechanism to release the body. This is what the internals look like. The gearboxes are all metal with steel gears. It comes with the battery installed. It is a 7.4 32 milliamp hour lithium battery. This will conclude the unboxing of the Mato 1/16 scale all-metal German Tiger 1 tank. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.